What's going on with the truckers? So a subscriber sent me this video and I just want to bring it out to light because I've actually seen this video before. A lot of us like to make fun of mega carriers, especially Swift. And I know there's a lot of Swift drivers out there, but here's the thing. If Swift is your best opportunity, then there's nothing wrong with that. If there's nobody in your family that will train you, if you've had past experiences where no one will take you at the time, if there's a terminal next to your house, hey, I understand why you're going to Swift. They spend a lot of money on marketing and they're the first one that catches your eye. So I'm not saying they're bad. I'm just saying get your training and then move the hell on. With that said, in this video, you're going to see a Swift truck driving with a stoplight attached to it, right? And when you watch this video, it is kind of hilarious. But with that said, want to play, Inspector Gadget on this. When you look at this right here, Swift trucks actually have their logo all over them. Okay, they have their S logo on the front, they have their S logo on the sides, and if you look at this truck in this video, it does not have the S logo anywhere. So what does that tell me? That tells me it's probably an owner operator that's doing a power only load and they're just using a Swift trailer. So most likely that's what it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? Talk your shit down below. But with that, we're always so quick to say it's a Swift driver. It's a Swift driver. It's a Swift driver. But in this instant, I think it was the owner operator. But overall, whoever it was, yeah, you definitely at least should have stopped at that stop sign. But all right, mother truckers, talk to you guys later.